Welcome back to Learn English with Context. Have you ever felt a little lost when trying to speak English at a pharmacy? You're not alone. In this video, we're going to tackle some of the most common mistakes people make and give you the confidence to get exactly what you need. Watch Jimmy, a non-native English speaker, navigate his conversation with a pharmacist. We'll highlight the common errors and provide simple corrections so you can learn the right way to use words like tablets, thermometer, and bandages. Let's dive in and improve your English for real-life situations.
Hi, I need to buy some medicines.
Careful. Medicine is usually uncountable in English. We don't say medicines unless we talk about different types, like Chinese medicine or Western medicine. So here you should say, I need to buy some medicine.
Okay, I need to buy some medicine.
Great! What kind of medicine are you looking for?
For my stomach, it is ache.
Not quite. We don't say, it is ache. Ache is a noun, not an adjective, so you can say, I have a stomach ache. So you use ache in a noun phrase, or my stomach aches. In this case, you use ache as a verb.
I have a stomach ache.
Perfect. Do you want something for the pain or for digestion?
For the pain.
All right. Do you prefer tablets or liquid?
I want the small white ones.
In English, we usually say tablets or capsules. Pill is a general word, but it's better to be specific. A tablet is hard and flat, and a capsule has a soft cover.
Got it. I want tablets. And I also need something for my cold. My nose is running and I can't stop cough.
Careful. After stop, we use a verb with ing, so it should be I can't stop coughing.
Okay, I can't stop coughing.
Good. Do you want medicine for cough or for a blocked nose?
For the cough.
Got it. Is it a dry cough or a wet cough?
I don't know the difference.
A wet cough makes mucus or phlegm. A dry cough doesn't.
I have dry cough.
Almost right. English needs an article here. A dry cough. We use a because cough is a countable noun.
Right, I have a dry cough.
Perfect. For a dry cough, you can take a cough suppressant.
Yes, I will buy that. And also, I need something for fever.
Careful. Do you mean medicine for a fever or something to measure your fever?
To measure. I need the thing for measure my temperature.
Almost. We don't say for measure. We say to check or to take my temperature. And the thing is called a thermometer.
Thermometer. Can I have one?
Sure, we have digital ear and forehead thermometers.
Digital, please. And syrup for my son. His throat is swollen red.
Oh, you mean he has a sore throat. Also, syrup is usually for cough. For a sore throat, lozenges or throat spray work better.
I see, I want a throat spray. And my head is paining.
In English, we don't say, my head is paining. We use the noun form, I have a headache.
Okay, I have a headache. I already took one. Pain-reducing tablet in the morning, but the pain is still there.
You mean a painkiller. If the pain continues, maybe you should see a doctor.
Oh, a painkiller. Yes, maybe. Do you have cream for skin itch?
We don't usually say skin itch. More natural is itchy skin. So say cream for itchy skin.
Okay, I need cream for itchy skin.
Perfect. Do you want anti-itch cream or allergy cream?
The first one, anti-itch.
Great. Here it is.
And also, do you have a small piece of tape for a cut finger?
Oh, you mean a bandage or a plaster? Plaster in British English is the same as Band-Aid in American English.
Right, a bandage for my finger.
Here you go.
Do you sell vitamins for strong hair?
In English, we usually say healthy hair, not strong hair. Strong is for muscles. Healthy is for hair and skin.
Healthy hair. I want vitamins for healthy hair.
Yes, here are some multivitamins.
Good. And I also need tooth medicine.
You mean medicine for a toothache. That's the common word.
Yes, toothache.
For toothache, you can take painkillers, but really you should see a dentist.
Yes, I will go if it not better.
Careful. Say if it doesn't get better. You need the negative form of does.
Okay, if it doesn't get better. Do you have water for nose wash?
We don't say water for nose wash. The correct terms are nasal spray or saline solution.
Nasal spray? Yes, I want that.
Here's one. It's gentle and safe.
And something for my eyes. They are red and make water.
Better to say, my eyes are watery, or my eyes are tearing. Make water isn't natural.
Okay, my eyes are watery.
Good. Do you want eye drops for dryness or for allergies?
For allergy,
All right, here you are.
do you sell medicines to sleep? I cannot sleep at night.
We call them sleeping pills.
Oh, okay. Sleeping pills. Do you have a gentle one?
You should say a light one or a mild one.
I see. Do you have a light one?
Yes, you can try natural ones like melatonin or herbal tea.
Okay, I will try that. And also, I want a band for my arm. It hurts from sports.
Almost, say an arm bandage or an arm wrap for support.
Okay, my arm hurts. I need an arm wrap for support.
Here's an elastic bandage for sports injuries.
Do you have alcohol for clean wound?
You should say for cleaning a wound. After for, we usually use the ing form.
Okay, for cleaning a wound.
Yes, here is antiseptic liquid.
Oh, and I want a piece of cloth to cover my nose and mouth so I don't get sick.
Do you mean a face mask?
Right, I want a face mask so I don't get sick.
We have disposable masks, which you use once and then throw away, and reusable ones, which you can wash and wear again.
Disposable, please. Do you also have hand clean gel?
We don't say hand clean gel. The common word is hand sanitizer.
Okay. Hand sanitizer. I need one.
Here you go. Thank you for coming and get well soon.
Great job following the conversation. You've just seen our customer make some common mistakes, and the pharmacist help him fix them. Now, let's take it a step further. We'll listen to the same conversation again, this time in perfect English. Follow along and repeat after us to practice sounding more natural.
Hi, I need to buy some medicine.
Great. What kind of medicine are you looking for?
For my stomach. I have a stomach ache.
Perfect. Do you want something for the pain or for digestion?
For the pain.
All right. Do you prefer tablets or liquid?
Tablets, please.
Got it. Anything else?
Yes, I also need something for my cold. My nose is running and I can't stop coughing.
Okay. Do you want medicine for the cough or for a blocked nose?
For the cough.
Got it. Is it a dry cough or a wet cough?
I have a dry cough.
Perfect. For a dry cough, you can take a cough suppressant.
Yes, I'll buy that. And I also need a thermometer to take my temperature.
Sure, we have digital, ear, and forehead thermometers.
Digital, please. And I need syrup for my son. His throat is sore.
For a sore throat, lozenges or throat spray work better than syrup.
I see. I'll take a throat spray. And I have a headache. I already took one painkiller in the morning, but the pain is still there.
If the pain continues, maybe you should see a doctor.
Yes, maybe. Do you have cream for itchy skin?
Of course. Do you want anti-itch cream or allergy cream?
Anti-itch, please.
Great. Here it is.
And also, do you have a small bandage for a cut finger?
Yes, here's a plaster.
Thank you. Do you sell vitamins for healthy hair?
Yes, here are some multivitamins.
Good. And I also need medicine for a toothache.
For a toothache, you can take painkillers, but really you should see a dentist.
Yes, I will go if it doesn't get better. Do you have a nasal spray?
Yes, here's a gentle saline solution.
Perfect, I'll take it. And something for my eyes. They're red and watery.
Do you want eye drops for dryness or for allergies?
For allergies.
All right, here you are.
Do you sell sleeping pills? I can't sleep at night.
Yes, but you can also try mild ones like melatonin or herbal tea.
Okay, I'll try that. And I need an arm wrap. My arm hurts from sports.
Here's an elastic bandage for support.
Thanks. Do you have alcohol for cleaning a wound?
Yes, here's some antiseptic liquid.
Oh, and I want a face mask to cover my nose and mouth so I don't get sick.
We have disposable masks and reusable ones. Which do you prefer?
Disposable, please. Do you also have hand sanitizer?
Yes, here you go. Thank you for coming and get well soon.
Great job! By learning these simple corrections, you can feel much more confident on your next pharmacy visit. Remember, practice is key. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll become. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.